Welcome, my dear viewers. Today we are going to solve the exercise 1.5 of chapter 1st of class 8. We are discussing question number 9. A 63 upon 5 meter long rope is cut into 7 pieces. What is the length of each piece? In this question, length of rope 63 upon 5 meter is divided by 7. Now we can write 63 upon 5, convert the sign of division in multiplication and reciprocal the given rational number 1 upon 7. 63 is divided by 7 is 9, then it is equals to 9 upon 5. We can convert in mixed fraction. 5 1 5 and 4 upon 5 meter. The length of each piece. Question number 11 is similar to the question number 9. How many pieces of ribbon of length 6 and 2 upon 3 centimeter can be cut off from a ribbon of length 1.20 meter? We can divide the 6 and 2 upon 3 centimeter. First we have to convert 1.20 meter in centimeter. You can solve in your homework. In the question number 12, Sarika Ford bought 15.5 kilogram of apples. If the cost of apples was rupees 25.50 per kilogram, how much money did he spend? Then we have to multiply 15.5 by 25.50. You can multiply easily the given two integers and find the answer. Now we are starting chapter number 2, powers. In this chapter we'll discuss about powers, that means exponents, powers and exponents, that means a raised to the power n. Here a is known as base, n is known as exponents, that means power. We can read it a raised to the power n. A raised to the power n, that means we can say a raised to the power n equals to a multiply a multiply a multiply a, that's n times. For example, we can write 2 raised to the power 3 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 in 3 times. That means 2 multiply 2, 4 multiply 2 is 8. Now we need to discuss about laws of exponents. To calculate the integers, whole numbers in exercise 2.1, 2.2. The first one is, if the base are same and powers are different in multiplication, then we have to add the powers. Similarly, the base are same and powers are different in division, then we have to subtract powers. And if we have given in question a raised to the power m and power n, then we have to multiply the given powers. In another condition, if we have different base and same power, a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m, then we can write a multiply b raised to the power m. Similarly, in division, it is equals to a upon b raised to the power m. That means we can say a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. If we have a raised to the power minus n, that means we can say a raised to the power n in denominator. A 1 upon a raised to the power minus n equals to a raised to the power plus n, and a raised to the power 0 equals to 1. These laws of exponents will use to solve the questions of exercise 2.1 and 2 and another questions. Now the question first of exercise 2.1, find the value of 5 raised to the power minus 3 minus 8 raised to the power minus 2, 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 4, 3 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5. Now in the solution of question number 1 of exercise 2.1, first one is 5 raised to the power minus 3. Then first we have to use a raised to the power minus n equals to 1 upon a raised to the power m. That means we can write it is equals to 1 upon 5 raised to the power 3. Now we can write 5 in multiplication 3 times. That is equals to 5 multiplied 25. 25 multiplied is 125. It is very simple. The second of first you can solve in your homework. The third one is 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 4. By using a raised to the power minus n equals to 1 upon a raised to the power n, we can write the 1 upon 4 equals to 4 upon 1, and the power will be positive, 4 raised to the power 4. It is equals to 4 time in multiplication. 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 16 multi 16 is equals to 256. And the question number 4th of first you can solve in your homework. The question number 2nd is simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. That means answer should be in powers. The first one is 3 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 3 raised to the power 5 and power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 4. It is very simple to solve. Question number 2nd, 3 raised to the power minus 2 is divided by 3 raised to the power 5 and power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 4. Then we can write 3 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5 and power 2. We can solve easily. We need to use the exponential law. A raised to the power n power m equals to a raised to the power m multi n. Now we can write 3 raised to the power minus 2 multiply 2, 3 raised to the power 5 multiply 2, and multiplication by 3 raised to the power minus 4. Now it will be 3 raised to the power minus 2 multi 2 minus 4, 3 raised to the power 5 multi 2 10, and 3 raised to the power minus 4. Here 3 and 3 base are same, therefore we have to add the powers. That means 3 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 10. It will be equals to 3 raised to the power minus 8 upon 3 raised to the power 10. We can convert 3 raised to the power 10 in 3 raised to the power minus 8 multiplied by 3 raised to the power minus 10. Here we are using 1 upon a raised to the power n equals to a raised to the power minus n. Therefore, minus 8 and minus 10 by addition, 3 raised to the power minus 18 is the final answer. Similarly, you can solve the question number 2nd, 3rd and 4th of 3rd. If you have any problem, then ask to me. Now the question number 4. Express the following as a power of rational number with negative exponent. Power of rational number with negative exponent. That means in the first situation, 4 raised to the power 4 multiply 4 raised to the power 3. First one is 4 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 3. It will be 4 raised to the power 4 plus 3, because a raised to the power m, a raised to the power n in multiplication equals to a raised to the power m plus n. Now it is equals to 4 raised to the power 7. Now in the situation of question, express the following as power of rational number with positive exponent, negative exponent in the 4th question. That means we should write a raised to the power n equals to 1 upon a raised to the power minus n. That means 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 7. Similarly, you can solve the question 3rd, 2nd and 4th of question number 4. Very simple. Now question number 5. Simplify the following. First one, 3 upon 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. We have to simplify these numbers. We can write 3 raised to the power 2 upon 2 raised to the power 2 multiply 2 raised to the power 2 5 raised to the power 2. Here we are using a upon b raised to the power m equals to a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m. Now 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 2 will cancel. 3 raised to the power 2 upon 5 raised to the power 2. It will be equals to 3 upon 5 raised to the power 2. Or we can write 3 multi 3 and 5 multi 5. It is equals to 3 3 is 9, 5 5 is 25. Similarly, we can solve the questions 2nd, 3rd and 4th in homework. If we have any problem, then ask to me. Question number 6. Simplify the following. In this question, we have given division of rational numbers with exponential form. Question number 6. Simplify the following. First one is 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 3 upon 4 raised to the power 2. Now we can write 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 raised to the power 2, because we are solving the question division to multiplication. Now we can write 2 raised to the power 2, 2 multi 2, 3 multi 3, 4 multi 4, 3 multi 3, and the final answer is 4 4 is 16 multi 4, 64, 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81. Very simple. Dear students, complete the questions 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th of exercise 2.1. The remaining questions will be discussed in next videos.